What's happening to me? Probably nothing. What's that rumbly noise?
Well, I'll tell you something. It's not thunder. There's not a cloud in the sky.
It's my tummy rumbling. I'm hungry.
Always good to be the king.
The time we pretended to be statues so those crows wouldn't spot us?
Oh, that time we were statues.
I have to go home.
Hey, talking's against the rules.
Here.
SpongeBob, I'm hungry.
This is not going to be pretty.
Excuse me.
Come on, Pony. We've got a fun-filled day ahead.
Ooh, a penny.
Objection!
Speaking of eating, when's dinner?
No one eats till scratch cleared.
But I'm starving.
Please be nice to her.
Should have seen that coming.
The guts have been